Hi everyone! Today on Cooking Up Love, we're making a creamy salsa verde with roasted tomatillos and jalapenos. It's super easy and really so much better than what you've had in restaurants. This authentic Mexican salsa verde is delicious with roasted tomatillos and jalapenos. If you're not familiar with tomatillos, they look a little like green tomatoes, but they're not tomatoes. Tomatillos come covered in a papery husk. When you're choosing tomatillos, look for fruit that is bright, plump, and firm. They're usually found near the jalapenos or tomatoes in the market. We'll be using about a pound of tomatillos. The other ingredients we'll be using are 2 jalapenos. You can also use serranos for a spicier salsa, 2 garlic cloves, a quarter of an onion, a handful of cilantro, about a quarter of a cup, 1 ripe avocado, and 1 teaspoon of salt. First, we'll peel the 2 garlic cloves by smashing them with a knife and peeling off the husk. Now, we're going to remove the husks from the tomatillos. If you haven't done this before, it's really easy. The husk is usually split open. You pull it back over and towards the stem and gently pop off the husk and the stem. Making salsa is like a family thing in our house. More helping hands means it's on the table faster. Tomatillos have a almost citrusy tart flavor, like a hint of lime. You'll notice the skin on the tomatillos is a little sticky, and that's perfectly normal. Once you have all of the tomatillos peeled, wash them well under running water. Roasting the tomatillos and peppers is going to give our salsa an amazing flavor. I'm putting a light coating of olive oil on the skillet to make cleaning up easier. These are going to roast on medium heat for about 10 minutes. We have new videos every week. Subscribe and ring the bell so that you know when we've posted a new one. You'll want to turn them so they get charred on all sides. To help char the skin all around, I sometimes stack the fruit on the sides of the pan. When the tomatillos are charred, they'll start turning soft in a slightly yellow color. These are done! Our older son is helping out with this part of the prep work. Cut the tops off of the roasted jalapenos, split them in half, and scrape out the seeds and the ribs. I'll usually set the seeds off to the side so that if the salsa isn't spicy enough, I can add more seeds to kick up the spiciness. The peppers go in, then the garlic, and the tomatillos. The tomatillos were just roasting a few minutes ago, so they're still nice and warm. Next, to blend everything together. We'll be using our Nutribullet to do that. I've found that the Nutribullet works so much better than a blender, where food sometimes gets stuck in the bottom and you have to reach in and move things around. You'll see how quick and easy this is. And 1 avocado. This avocado has gotten a little bruised and started to brown near the top. That can affect the flavor a bit, so we're going to cut off the brown parts. The green part is still okay to eat, and we're going to add that in. We're adding about a quarter cup of packed cilantro that has been washed well to remove any dirt, and about a quarter of an onion. Today we're using a white onion. You can use whatever kind of onion you have on hand. And a teaspoon of kosher salt. Everything into the container. Ay, ay, ay! Okay, maybe don't use a sharp knife to pack everything in. He's still learning. Use a spoon or even your hands to smush things down a bit if you need to, and topping it all off with the last of the tomatillos. Put the cover on and blend. We'll be blending for just a few seconds in the Nutribullet, so there's still some texture in the salsa. This salsa verde will keep in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 days. And this is the texture we're looking for. Not too runny, it still has some body, so it can cling to chips. There you go! Fresh salsa verde is the perfect salsa for Tex Mex and Mexican street food. It's fresh, made with all natural ingredients, and I can't wait for you to try it while it's warm. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up or tell us how much you liked it in the comments below. All of your likes and comments help other people find our videos, and we really appreciate your help. Here's another recipe I think you'll like. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.